Hello everyone, my name is Gifty and welcome to my channel, The Taste Delight. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this tasty goat meat jollof rice. Please let's help this video get 50 likes to reach bigger audience. Thank you. So in my blender here, I have some ginger, some onions, some black peppercorns, some grains of selim, which is called wintia in Ghana, some rosemary and a bit of water and a scotch bonnet to blend. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to share my videos. Thank you. So on the medium high heat, I added my washed goat meat into my pan and we are going to add our ginger blend. We are going to divide it into two and keep the other for later. So I'm going to season it with some salt and some all-purpose seasoning. You can choose to use any seasoning of your choice. And I'm adding extra rosemary as well because this goat meat is going to be delicious. And I added some star anise and some bay leaves and a little bit of curry powder to give you a bit of color and flavor. We added just a little bit of water and we're going to cook it for about 30 minutes. To my lovely subscribers and viewers, please help this video get 50 likes to reach bigger audience. Thank you. So our meat has been cooking for about 30 minutes now and it's tender and juicy. So we are going to keep the stock and we are going to take our meat and start with our stew. So on a medium high heat, I added some olive oil in my pan and we are going to fry our goat meat for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now our goat meat has been frying for about 15 minutes and we're going to take it out and use the same pan for our stew. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So in the same pan, I added my sliced onion and we're going to add our leftover ginger blend to our onions as well and just a little bit of curry powder and we're going to cook it for about 2 to 5 minutes. So now our onion and ginger blend has been cooking for about 5 minutes now and I'm adding my tomato paste as well. So you're gonna mix everything together and season it as we go. And now I'm adding my smoked paprika, some dry rosemary, you can use the fresh one if you have it, some curry powder and some all-purpose seasoning. And we are going to cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes. So whilst our tomato paste is cooking, we are going to start with our pepper blend. In my blender I have some green chilies, some carrots, some red bell peppers, some onions, some scotch bonnet, and we are going to blend it with some olive oil. So as you can see, our tomato paste has been cooking for about 15 minutes now. We are adding our pepper blend. So with this recipe, I did not add any fresh tomatoes as well, but you can choose to add it if you want. So I added a teaspoon of sugar to cut away the sourness. So you're going to leave it to cook for about 20 minutes. So now our tomato stew has been cooking for about 20 minutes now. And now we are adding our goat meat stock and we're going to leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. So now our stew has been cooking for about 25 minutes now and it's ready. So I'm adding my jasmine rice which has been washed. You can choose to use any rice of your choice. And I'm also going to add my goat meat as well, which we fried. As you can see, it's looking delicious. So you're going to mix everything together and leave it to cook for about 15 minutes. So now our rice has been cooking for the first 15 minutes now. So we're going to put it on a low heat and stir it and leave it to cook. We are also going to create some holes in it to allow the steam to go all over to cook it nicely. So with this recipe, I did not add any water to my rice. And now our rice has been cooking for an extra 15 minutes now. and it's ready. I'm telling you, this goat meat jollof rice is easy and is packed with so much flavor. You need to try this recipe out. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to make this video reach 50 likes. Thank you to all my lovely subscribers. Bye bye.